Hello and welcome to the Wire Chaser task. This task is excellent for training dexterity and depth perception. During this task you will transfer rings in a 3D plane, considering different angles, while being mindful not to apply too much force. The challenge is that as you progress, the rings become smaller in diameter. We begin by picking up the first ring with the right grasper and following the wire's trajectory. For the horizontal part of the trajectory, transfer the ring to your left grasper, and as you go up again, you transfer the ring to your right grasper. This process continues until we reach the left side of the training task. Afterwards, we repeat the same steps for the other two rings as well. The transfers become more challenging as the ring diameter decreases. Make sure to take this into consideration while transferring the rings. Now I will perform the task once more, but a bit faster. Thank you for watching the Wire Chaser training video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.